will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your American Space Pictures and Videos app. All you have to do, just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click on apps. Then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for American Space Pictures and Videos. Just click on it here, or just click on search. Then here add American Space Pictures and Videos. Just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. That's all you have to do. So you just go to your play. So you go to your Play Store. Click here on Play Store. You search here for American Space Picture and Videos here. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.